Good morning, teacher. I had the opportunity to talk about little change about technology and transportation here in El Salvador in comparing with other countries. Here have a very important technology has changed is the communication. Uh, why communication? Because before time, people write letters and wait for the days and months to receive the answer. And the people consider it very important facility to communicate with another person or different parts of the country. And how this is a phone. And this one in the first picture is the public phone. You get in the coins and then using for get the into the number of the person and wait for the person get the answer. Then I remember this. My grandfathers had in the house. When I have opportunity to use it too, I get the numbers, put the finger in the different numbers and turn the left the number in way to finish to enter the number. And then how in an numeric form is after that is the cell phone. The difference of this and that is because this one stay in the house and this one move with you in different parts of the country or city or included now in the world. Actually, you can use it for agents. You can use it to with the calls. We are using for games. Use in the same times to video llamadas. You can use the cell phone in the same time with camera. Take pictures, take videos, and using for see movies or TV programs. This one is very interesting because when I remember I have one of this, you can get down or in to work for the TV for change the channel and or get down the volume or go up the volume and then create this TV come with a remote control and then you can move on the seat or the bed. You can change or get down or up the volume and change is the transport and the people don't have money for sell the cars by using the train or the bus or the carry. Now, actually, in the times have a electric car and at the same time uh, the cars motors using gas. And the train actually in here in Salvador they can use it. In Cincinnati have museums for can see a train, the wagons, and the tren bala. The train bala using the people can have a business in another place of the part of the country. It's very fast. It considers translating, for example, to San Salvador, Sonsonate, Santan, translate like 5 minutes, like at the same time of using a car. And that is my points about the change, evolution, about technology and transportation of the country. Thank you very much for your attention.